What's up guys, Autotech here with a $600 gaming PC build. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting things off with the case I want is the Pivia Micro ATX gaming case. This case is going for $35 on Amazon, and this also includes a side panel window. The power supply I want is the EVGA 500 B1 80 plus bronze certified power supply. This power supply is currently going for $45 on Amazon. The motherboard I want is the MSI Gaming Intel Skylake H110 LG1151 DDR4 Micro ATX motherboard. This motherboard is currently going for $70 on Amazon. And the CPU I went with is the Intel 3.7 GHz Core i3-6100 processor. This is currently going for $117. This is a dual core, but it has hyper threading, which acts as a quad core, which is really nice for a budget CPU. For RAM, I went with the Corsair Vengeance 8GB 24GB DDR4 clocked at 2400 MHz memory kit, going for $60 on Amazon. For the graphics card, I went the Asus GeForce GTX 1060 3GB dual fan overclocked edition graphics card, going for $220. This is a really good graphics card that can handle most games at 4K settings, ultra settings, and get really good frame rates. And lastly, Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive for $50 on Amazon. This will be enough to store all your games. That's gonna do it for this video guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video.